Okay, it is 9:35 a.m. Very brisk morning here in Freeborn County, Minnesota. You might be able to hear some Canadian geese that are sitting on the ice on the lake there. Looks like we got a couple swans out there too. Anyway, first attempt at winter solar cookies. It is brisk. I can't remember what the temperature is. I thought it was like, I don't know if it was, I took a picture. It'll show on the video. I'm trying a different idea today of the configuration. So we'll just let that speak for itself. I will be back to see how this goes. No preheat, we just set it out. Okay, we're an hour in. I'm sure I left this out here too long. It's really smelling cookie-like. This is also my first gluten-free cookies, so it's smelling very cookie-like. We've got, let's see, down here you can see the condensation. So I'm sure we've got there. It's all morphed into one. I got another pan to go. Yeah, that's really looking cooked here. Took the donut off. Ouch. Let's see here. You know what? Maybe I need to leave it. Maybe I need to leave it. Wow, that is hot. They've been out here an hour. It's starting to brown up really good in one little corner there. I'm going to leave it another 15 minutes, considering we had no preheat. There's my little lid. Hopefully we didn't lose too much heat. The deal is I got to work today, and I got another pan to put out here, so at the very least the core will be heated, so this other one shouldn't take quite so long. All right, away we go. Okay, we're back. I'm gonna swap them out now. Ooh, that smells good. That smells good. How to get that out of there without burning the snot out of my... Oh, yeah. Drop this one in. Put the lid back on here. Donut. Little lid. Alright, let's get my... This had a half an hour. Hopefully all that stayed kind of in frame. This wind is definitely a factor today. Real bad, but get these inside here. All right, round two. All right. That is smelling cookie good. Oh yeah. Good thing too, because I am off to work here in just a few moments. So, cookie experiment done. It took longer than I thought. I'd never baked cookies in the winter before, and I've never baked gluten-free stuff, or gluten-free cookies before. I will take a snapshot of the closing temperature. It's got to be close to freezing right now. It's warmed up considerably. I'm not sure. I'll put a picture at the end. Thanks for coming along. I really enjoyed this one. I have some ideas for a different baking, at least a cookie baking configuration, so I'll get working on that too. So we are using the oversized T10 sun funnel here in balmy Freeborn County, southern Minnesota.